Mae pwrpas difrifol i'r gweithgareddau, credwch neu beidio, yn yr ystyr bod y dysgwyr yn defnyddio'r eirfa berthnasol ar gyfer pa bynnag gweithgaredd maen nhw'n digwydd bod yn neud.
Dyn ni yn... Are you ready for this?
Dringo. We got Dringo.
Dringo?
We got Dringo.
Coed?
A tree.
Tree.
Oh, it's fantastic. I don't know how to climb trees, but I'd love to learn.
I know, mae'n gret yn
You want to die?
Bore yma, ydych chi wedi bod gyda ni yn dysgu wch. Fel tynnwch a, gwthiwch a, nofiwch a, seiclwch, da iawn, achos nawr, digwydd bod, ydych chi'n mynd I seiclo.
Lan a lawr, lan a lawr, lan a lawr, a lan a lawr.
Time go left!
Cadwch i'r dde.
Cadwch, and then to the right!
Cadwch i'r
It's
dde.
going too fast, time to slow down!
Breciwch. Breciwch.
Time to stop!
Stop.
He's had an accident.
Gadwch yr ambulance.
Arwelcog, da iawn! Okay,
Ffwrwch yn ambulance.
Ambulance? Straight jacket sydd angen, wy'n credu.
Barod. Let's go.
Anffodus, I cannot go on this trip. I was already, obviously, I was pleased to do it, but because I'm a midget and challenged, the legs didn't fit, and I just thought, no.
So how do we say, wow, it's high? Wow, mae'n uchel. Ydy.
Ydy.
Give me a shout when you...
Byddwch yn ofalus nawr.
O, peidiwch yn pwynt. Cadwch yr ambulance. Nawr, dyma.
Cadwch i'r dde, hopefully.
O, peidiwch pwynt ni.
Dwi'n wedi anghofio popeth.
Pedlwch gryfach!
Ah, no!
Pedlwch gryfach! O! Pedlwch gryfach!
Wedi methu datrys dirgelwch sedd y beic, mae Helen erbyn hyn yn ddringwraig. Serch hynny, y dde a'r chwith sy'n peri mwyaf o ddryswch iddi.
How there?
It's the teeth.
Oh, yeah. You're right.
Weith. How weith? Where are my
weith,
false
there.
teeth? How weith? And how they're there?
There.
How there? Where are my teeth? How there?
Oh, my teeth are there.
Yeah. How
Weith there. Oh, high
Yeah.
five.
Yn lle mae I ffen i, Drian. Lan yn y cod, fylla.
Ti'n neud yn dda iawn.
You have to make that noise. Beth ydi pull?
Tynnwch.
Just go then.
Tynnwch. A beth ydi push?
Oh, I'm halfway up a tree.
You would not believe how comfortable this actually is. It might look to the casual observer like I'm in a lot of pain and I'm having very important parts of my body squeezed. But I'm not. I'm having a great time.
Wy'n gwybod bod cwestiwn wyt ti am I mi ateb? A'r ateb yw, ydy. Mae yn edrych yn fawr ni.
Help, dwi'n stuck.
Lisa, amser cinio? Yeah.
Stop!